Good morning. Just wanted to give you a last minute warning to the end of the 13 collab giveaways are 9 p.m. Central Standard Time tonight. So if you haven't gone in and entered all those 13 or however many you want to, better do it now. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, there's another video with this same thumbnail down on the 15th of April. If you go back and look, it'll show you my giveaway and give you the names of all the other 12 people that are doing giveaways. Now, part of this warning, other than subscribe now while you can, is, or not subscribe, enter while you can, is last night I randomly went through about 20% of my entry people. And of that 20%, only one person was subscribed to all 13 channels. Now, if you're not subscribed to all 13 channels, you can't win. So you need to go back and double check. One person, they were subscribed to everybody but me. So that could have been a YouTube thing, because you know how YouTube will randomly unsubscribe you to people. So you need to go double check, because if you're not subscribed to everybody, and we will check, you can't win. So the other people, there was one person that was subscribed to everybody, one person that was subscribed to all but one, and the rest of the ones I checked, they were subscribed to like 6, 7, 5, you know, just part of the 13. So if you want to win, and there's some great stuff in these giveaways, you need to subscribe to all of us. I'll try and copy and paste the list of names again in this video so that you can go double check and make sure that you're subscribed to everybody, because it'd be a shame if we drew your name and we're like, oh, nope, throw that name out, just pick another one, because then you'd miss out on some great goodies. So please go through and double check and make sure you're subscribed. As of last night, I had 44 entries, which seems like pretty high odds of winning. But if my findings are true, and only out of 20% that I picked, only one was entered correctly, then that increases your odds immensely. So you need to be one of the ones that's subscribed so you can win, because you know, I was checking all those ones last night, just randomly picking people and checking them, and I'm like, oh, this is sad, because these people aren't going to win, you know, if I pick their name. So I just wanted to give you all a warning. Go double check and make sure you're subscribed to everybody. And if you're not entered yet, go check us all out and enter. You have till tonight. So there's lots of great ones. I've got mostly makeup, some skincare in my giveaway, a big old box of it. And let's see, here's the box. I'll give you a little peek. Whoop, a bunch of stuff in mine. And one person's got some goodies plus a $100 gift card. There's some great giveaways, so go check everybody out. But be sure and subscribe to them. And give them a chance. Stay with them a while. If they're not your cup of tea, then you can unsubscribe. But, you know, give them a little bit and watch a few of their videos before you just say, oh, I didn't win, so I'm going to unsubscribe. Now, give them a chance. You might grow to like them, or you might love them. Who knows? But they may not be your cup of tea, and that's okay. But don't just watch their giveaway video and be done, because that's different than their normal content. So you might really like what their normal content is all I'm saying. I just wanted to give you all a heads up that you need to go back and double check, because YouTube is infamous for unsubscribing people without their knowledge. So I would hate to have you miss out for YouTube unsubscribing somebody and you not knowing it. So please go double check. And tomorrow, or I think our upload is 1 a.m. Central Standard Time. So when you wake up tomorrow, the winners will all be out there. Alrighty, y'all have a good day. Be sure and go double check.